We have discovered important material indicating that the Federal Reserve is preparing to adopt XRP globally by ISO 4217. This revelation isn't just conjecture. It's supported by an official report that I was able to obtain thanks to the painstaking work of a dedicated independent investigator. Despite the absence of extensive media coverage, don't worry. Big things are going on behind the scenes. Together with the Securities and Exchange Commission's and Congress's efforts to address issues regarding special drawing rights, Ripple's partnership with the United States on digital currencies through central bank, digital currency CBDC. At this critical juncture, SDR liquidity and the top banks in Japan are combining to activate XRP for international payments. Additionally, there are signs that the value of XRP may rise to a staggering $10,000 a unit, indicating that a significant financial revolution is imminent. But this is only a small portion of what is going on now. Anything connected to the Federal Reserve's upcoming significant adoption of the XRP. Let's get right to the point of today's discussion. Enter the name of the world's bridge currency into Google, or even better, try out what's known as Google Bard. Everyone will say that XRP is the answer, but it's not only the name that matters. What sets it apart from all other cryptocurrencies is its ISO code. The identifier ISO 4217 has been assigned to XRP, which sets it apart from other digital assets and provides it with a special identification that elevates it to a higher level. Let's examine this subject in greater detail and go to the second picture. For the Federal Reserve's benefit, the pieces of the puzzle start to fit together with the ISO 4217 currency. The ISO 4217 standard specifies that each international currency be assigned a three-letter code. This is a significant milestone that solidifies XRP as a worldwide currency that is ready to interact smoothly with all of the currencies specified under the ISO standard, such as the US dollar, the euro, the pound sterling, and others. Going straight to the source for confirmation is where the journey gets interesting. In my search for indisputable proof, I consult the Federal Reserve's official resources, and thanks to our research team's tireless efforts navigating the complex world of digital finance, we've made a groundbreaking discovery straight from the Federal Reserve's online platform. Every single currency, from the US dollar to the Japanese yen, is identified by a three-letter ISO 4217 code, as this website makes unequivocally transparent. The website also specifies the coin that is a member of this esteemed group. XRP is prominently shown among them there, providing us with indisputable evidence that this is not just conjecture, but a declaration by the Federal Reserve, a symbol of financial authority, with the website content being updated on October 24, 2023. It's interesting to note that this update was released just one day after the U.S. Congress voted to approve financial institutions' use of XRP in their operations, and the U.S. concluded the Ripple litigation. This series of events is not random. Rather, it is a meticulously planned story of financial innovation that is playing out directly in front of us. As the conversation turns to the possibility that the XRP may surpass $10,000, this prediction advances. A $10,000 valuation for XRP not only seems realistic, but also very cost-effective when considering the facilitation of quadrillions of transactions, which goes beyond speculative theory and is grounded in the reality of global transaction volumes that are expected to flow through the XRP ledger. However, it is important to recognize that the importance of Ripple's partnerships goes beyond transaction volumes. It goes beyond straightforward cooperation and involves strong trust from financial institutions like Uphold, which has an exceptional position with a portfolio worth over 1 billion XRP. As a point of comparison, Uphold's stake in XRP, which is worth approximately 1.28 billion, is 740% larger than its investments in other cryptocurrencies. The banking industry's need for a digital asset that can meet the enormous demands of global finance is the driving force behind this large investment in XRP. If the banking sector is ready to incorporate XRP into high-value transactions, then a price tag of $110,000 per unit is not just wishful thinking. Rather, it is the beginning of a revolutionary shift in currency utility. The discussion about the XRP rising to $10,000 shortly is gaining traction thanks to its anticipated use in central bank digital currencies. The Federal Reserve's acknowledgement of XRP worldwide use in compliance with ISO 4217 standard, with an initiation in the U.S. by the end of 2024, lends credence to this conjecture. The body of evidence demonstrates the scope of this evolution. The enormous potential of a settlement that hangs over the talks between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, however, is revealed by today's conversation, which extends beyond pricing rumors. As XRP's usefulness grows, the market value of the cryptocurrency might rise significantly if this potential settlement is realized. The solution to ending a protracted court battle lies in this arrangement. We are willing to reveal the precise documents and supporting documentation related to this settlement offer that was presented to the CEO of Ripple Labs, rather than just conjecturing about these occurrences. At any point in the past, this offer may have been approved. Settlement proposals have been important in the past, especially in compliance with Judge Torres's order, which set a deadline of November 9, 2023, for a non-litigious deal. The Securities and Exchange Commission called an urgent conference to examine everything from institutional settlements to litigation resolution because of the pressure this deadline placed on the parties. The ultimate consequence was an astounding $770 million settlement offer to Rip Labs from the SEC in an attempt to conclude the litigation. But by turning down this offer, Ripple showed their resilience. A second, far smaller settlement offer of $20 million was made to Ripple Labs after this development. According to cryptocurrency legal expert John Deedon, Ripple is likely to accept this reduction, which would signal the end of the company's legal dispute with the SEC. The story of XRP has changed dramatically, and this change has been exacerbated by President Joe Biden's willingness to issue an executive order that might have a substantial impact on XRP and other cryptocurrencies that are now in use. This executive order is only the start of our in-depth analysis today, as we explore the nuances of the possibility that XRP will reach the highly anticipated $10,000 milestone and analyze the recent surge in XRP's market activity, which has increased by an astounding 10% in the 24 hours since President Biden's important executive order. The orders aim to encourage the Federal Reserve's global adoption of the XRP by the ISO 4217 standard, as evidenced by this acceleration and raising of stakes. A conclusion backed by separate investigation. Shortly after this directive was issued, a settlement offer was made, urging Ripple Labs to come to a mutually agreeable resolution and end their legal dispute with the SEC. This is a unique circumstance, particularly because R's CEO has been advocating for U.S. banks to embrace XRP due to their legal troubles with the SEC,